Shwmae pawb, Elisha ydw i. My name is Elisha and I'm from the Talk and Play team here at RCT. And today I'm going to share with you a little craft idea for an autumn wreath. And all of these things are super easy to find. We've got some dried leaves here that me and my little one picked this weekend. We've got all different shapes, sizes, colours. And we've given them a little wash and then we've flattened them out and just put something heavy on them to try and keep them straight. We've also got just a paper plate. Even if you haven't got a paper plate, guys, you can just use a piece of paper and cut the middle out. We've got some scissors for the adults. We've also got some Pritt stick. You can use Pritt stick, PVA, sellotape, double-sided sellotape. Adults, obviously a hot glue gun, but I think this one works best. To be honest, that's all you really need. You can paint them, you can basically do anything, and they're really good to do for all different times of the year. So like Christmas time, Easter time, maybe I'll do something like that around that time. So basically what we need to do is we need to start with our paper plate or whatever else we're using. Don't completely fold it in half, guys, just a little bit, just to get a little snip in the middle. Do it the other way as well, so it makes it easier for us to cut our centre. My concentration face, you're all going to see now. Just going to cut out kind of like a wreath or ring. Yeah, this doesn't have to be circle, guys. It can be other shapes. It can be heart, it can be square, triangle, whatever whatever shape you want it to be. There you go. Here's my little ring, my ring-a-ring-a-rosy. And then, excuse me, got some little pumpkins as well, just for, oh, there you go. This one, my little one has started to colour on. You can pick up some little pumpkins, you know, from supermarkets or whatever, and paint them. That could be another activity. Some people don't really like carving pumpkins. You could just buy them and paint them, colour them, scribble them, glitter, whatever. Stick stickers on them even. So I'm just going to go in now with some of my leaves. I'm going to cut the stalks off. And like I said, I'm not going to glue this because it tends to break the leaf. I'm just going to put a bit of glue on my wreath. I'm going to put quite a bit on actually. You can always just stick it down. You can always paint your leaves if you want to first. You don't have to just put leaves on. You can I've actually got some acorns as well, but obviously you'd need to use something a bit stronger than the PVA for that. And then you can go in different directions. You can go up, down, side to side, and then you can just stick, tap it down. Okay. And shall we do this big, huge leaf? Chop it off. Oops! On the floor. Rub it in. Rub a dub. And stick it down. Pat it down. Have any of you seen the big, huge spider that's behind my head? You want to see? See if I can show you. Can you see him? There he is. He's up. Oh. He's watching us, guys. Okay, and this is actually like super easy to do. And like I said, you can do it for all year round really. You can do you know, come Christmas time, you can do, you can get some cotton wool balls as snow. And pat them down. You could put some glitter on there. You can even cut out some snowflakes. And I've got these as well. I might put them on now. But I've got, can you see this leaf? I picked up some brown ones of these. I don't know if they change colour by Christmas though. To do, you can paint the bottom of your feet, or your hands even, brown. Stick them down on some paper, and then these little leaves make perfect antlers for reindeers. And you can colour in a little red nose, or if you've got some red cotton wool, you can pop that on, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. But for now, we're going all autumn and Halloween. And this is really good as well for, you know, those fine motor skills as well. Getting those little fingers ready for school. And the concentration skills as well. You know, if you don't want to stick these down, some children are not interested in glue. You can always just grab pencils, crayons, whatever your little one is into. If they want to paint them as well, that's absolutely fine. They can really use their imagination as well and get creative. And also, I know a lot of children are very experimenting with what they put in their mouth. There's a recipe for edible paint, and as much as we don't encourage children to put paint in their mouth, at least on times when they do, it's safe for them to do so. So these are all the big leaves. I'm praying now that none of these fall off. These are all the big leaves. And you can see there, look how pretty that is. Look at all those autumn colours. We've got red, orange, brown, pretty leaf. It's like a car. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm going to put, look at these ones. It's like a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And I'm going to put these ones. Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wow, look at this one. It's like a star. Oops. And some more. These are really good opportunities as well, guys, for you to bring in those single words for your little ones. You know, look how simple it is just to bring in words like more, dab, 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 star, stick. And then for those children that are a little bit older, you've also got like your shapes and your colours. And it's quite a sensory activity as well, because there's like lots of different like crunching going on. There's definitely the smell of autumn. Even though we've cleaned these, they still got that crisp autumnal smell. Here we are. Can you see these ones? The red stars. And then you can just go in with other different ones. Then I'm actually going to leave these ones out because I quite like those big leaves, and then the 1, 2 of star leaves. Happy Halloween, guys. Thank you very much, and enjoy your autumn craft.